Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-Cape Town Spurs iluze i-case against-ke uVelibayi noBatman okubenze ubaba ama-free agent. Sebakhiphe i-statement-ke sabo bafethu, nasi i-statement sabo. Bathi bona as i-club, Cape Town Spurs laphana, they've taken note of i-arbitration ukuthi award ilokhunjana uVelibayi noBatman ukuthi ba ama-free agent and then bamuva ku-Kaizer Chiefs mahhala. Nasi statement sabo bathi-ke iklabhu-ke i-disappointed noma ngithi iphoxekile nge-outcome, but uthi bathi bayayihlonipha i-decision noma isinqumo esithathwe laphana i-arbitration overall. Bathi-ke bazoyihlonipha i-decision laphana. Bathi-ke okwamanje bazohlangana nama-lawyers wabo ne-legal team badiscuss-e ukuthi bayi-understand-e fully ama-implications wokuthi bangawini lecala leli. Bathi-ke lama-players lawa akhona laphana ethimini yabo bazobheka bahlale phansi baplane i-long term strategy. Bathi-ke le ruling lena obviously-ke i-raise ama-question laphana ku-structure sama-players nama-contract ne-protection of ama-club ngoba ama-club aya-investa kuma-youth development. Bathi-ke for over 30 years bona as i-Cape Town Spurs Academy bathi-ke babe yi-cornerstone ku-South African football, ba-dedicate-a ekukhuliseni ithalente noku-make-a sure ukuthi ba-provide-a indlela e-right ukuthi ama-players afike ku-professional setup. Bathi-ke potentially-ke le decision lena izoba-force-a ukuthi i-moment of i-deep reflection in terms of i-sustainability yabo, i-model yabo. I think la bakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi because bona badila nge-development isikhathi esiningi and they strived on i-development ukuthi bathengise ama-player benze i-profit bakwazi ukuziphilisa ngayo leyo nto leyo. So le decision lena izobenza bahlale phansi and then ba-decide ukuthi okay bayaqhubeka at the same time baqhubeka kanjani. Nasi i-statement se-CEO yakhona le beyiloku ibhizi ithi bona ba-develop oVelibayi nge-8 million bafuna imali e-serious ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think lana before ngingena deep kule statement bafethu kumele sishayele i-Kaizer Chiefs izandla because azange babe intimidated, ba-understand ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs because yibo i-club enkulu, igama labo lingangcola. I-Cape Town Spurs beyifaka i-pressure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ize kubo esayidini i-negotiate nabo, but i-Kaizer Chiefs azange ikwenze lokho. Babe strong, bavele bayekela umthetho to play out, azange bavuma ukumanipulate-wa i-Cape Town Spurs ukuthi bakhiphe le mali le. And nasi statement se-CEO bafethu bathi for iminyaka ewu-30 laphana i-academy yabo ibe ibhilde noma ngithi bene-proudest legacy. Bathi bona ba-investile laphana not just ngokwemali but-ke nge-passion nanesikhathi ne-philosophy uku-developing ama-youngsters athene to ukuba ama-professional players upstanding individuals. But le outcome ye-case-ke njengoba bayayivuma bayayi-accept-a but-ke kumele babuze ama-question around izinto laphana ukuthi baqhubeka kanjani nomsebenzi wabo kwi-environment yokuthi kwi-environment le abakuyo at the moment. Bathi-ke fundamentally-ke izinto zama-contract nokudevelopha i-player so that izinto le same abadevelopha i-player kukwazi ukudisolveka kahle ngalama-circumstances that they are going through at the moment. Bathi-ke i-focus yabo at the moment ukuthi bahlangane ne-legal team yabo badiscuss-e ukuthi kwenzakale kanjani ukuthi bayiluze le nto le, is it the right decision, and then-ke bazothatha i-direction e-right after lokho. Ukuthi firstly-ke into ekumele bafocus-a kuyo kule squad esabanaso because ba-campaign-a laphana ku-ABC Mtsipe League. Bathi okwesibili into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi on any compensation that may be due to the club for ilo investment le abayenzile kulama players wama-careers, babone ukuthi viable ku-academy yabo. Indeed i-future of ilokhunjani i-strategic direction of i-Cape Town Spurs. Ngicela ukuyichaza le nto le ukuthi uthini lo baba lo. Uthi kusho ukuthi bazobheka still kuVelibayi nakuBatman basazobheka ukuthi bangathola malini-ke ngokomthetho umthetho siyazi ukuthi bazothola i-3 million kuphela if they go forward ngale nto le, but okay sibadevelopile-ke fine. Sekuhlalwa phansi-ke sekuyakhulunywa bathi imithetho ye-FIFA now, Kaizer Chiefs kumele imithe umthetho we-FIFA ukuthi babadevelopile, nayi 3 million yabo kuphelile, ama-player awu-2 yabona ukuthi bazobathola cheap kanjani. Yes, ama-free and at the same time kungenzeka bangayitholi le mali le. Why? Because i-players union sometimes inokuyi-oppose-a le ndaba lokuthi ama-team athole iy'mali, banokuyilwa nje, kungathatha isikhathi lokhu i-drag-a bagcine bangatholanga nosheleni. But-ke if i-legal team yabo izopresent-a i-case eli-strong ukuthi badevelop i-player whatever, okay, noma bangasayitholanga le 10 million for uVelibayo, 10 million for uBatman, le 20 million, but-ke 3 million nabo sebazoyithatha nkosi yami. They are cornered phela manje, there is no way ukuthi bangayithathi cause obviously izoba-booster lapho nalapho kunokuthi bathole nje 0-0. Zonke lezo zinto-ke izinto okumele badile nazo overall. Bayayidinga le mali lena encane le abazoyithola. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu uma ngikhuluma ngale nto le ye-compensation, uma udevelop i-player uyayithola imali bafowethu, but kwesinye isikhathi awuyitholi. Mningi imithetho yebhola, kuya nge-channel ukuthi uya kuphi. Uma bangaya ku-FIFA ba-present i-case labo ku-FIFA bangayithola imali 100%-ke lapho guaranteed because ba-present i-case labo ukuthi balidevelopile. Unfortunately-ke ba-relegated to what? To i-amateur. Kula ma-player akhona ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs mahhala, but-ke for i-development bangakwazi ukuthola leyo mali. Uthole ukuthi i-FIFA or imithetho uma lokhu iqhubeka bangagcina bathola just 500,000 kuphela for uVelibayo, 500,000. Uthole ukuthi bathola 1 million kuphela for lama-player ayi-2. Ziningi izinto like ama-factors. Ne-case le-Kaizer Chiefs inga-present i-case labo ukuthi ayisazama ukubasayina laba-player laba basase-professionally, but-ke basi-rejecta. So we feel no need ukuthi siba-compensate labantu laba overall because we tried for 2 years but baloke basi-rejecta. So izo zonke izinto kumele zibhekwe lezo. So bathi-ke mase bayevala lana bathanda ukubonga nje ama-supporters nama-partners wabo ne-football fraternity or community at large uku-understand-a nokuqhubeka baba-support-e kulesikhathi esi-difficult for bona se-transition la bayodlala khona ku-amateur. Asiqhubeke siyi-dissect-e le nkulumo lena, statement sabo lesi abaqeda ukusikhipha bafowethu. Obviously i-ruling enkulu, it's not just an easy ruling, i-ruling enkulu e-involve the biggest team in the country, Kaizer Chiefs. I-ruling obviously ethatha isikhathi because idrage ama-careers kaVelibayi noBatman for some time. And then the coolest thing ukuthi i-arbitrator, i-advocate uHilton Epstein bebamthemba nabo laphana abaphathi noma ngithi i-CEO yani ye-Cape Town Spurs bebamthemba ukuthi i-ruling yakhe izoba fair, ngeke ifavor omunye umuntu. And guess what? Ibe fair according to imithetho yebhola nje kuphela, yafavor ama-player ama-youngsters uVelibayi noBatman. Bekuyibhetlele long lena bafowethu siyibonile. I mean i-decision-ke lena yenza obviously ithatha ibeka ama-player ukuthi aba-free ngempela ukuthi badlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs after iy'nyanga ibhetlele laphana. uVelibayi ujima kahle kakhulu ne-Kaizer Chiefs, uyi-impress-a nabo-coach. So that is why bekubalulekile ukuthi uVelibayi akwazi ukuthi abe free ukuthi akwazi ukuqala ukudlala for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So I mean this is not just i-story se-transfer izinto ezinjalo, but-ke ama-questions ekumele siwabuze, and in fact i-power ne-protection nama-principles webhola overall because alapha stipulated there, you have to go through it. uDr Ivan Khoza bekhuluma ngokuthi ba-create is it 600 pages ukuthi abantu ba-understand ukuthi imithetho ikhona in place, i-protector ama-players, i-protector ama-team, i-protector everyone who's involved. But-ke bona bafuna ku-change i-600 page just uku-accommodate bona ukuthi bathole imali abayifunayo. I-ruling enkulu kakhulu bafethu lena. Cape Town Spurs-ke obviously I mean they've contributed bafethu kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa futhi sibazi bayi-Ajax Cape Town team. Abo-Thulani Serero, uDolly-ke bamthatha ku-Sundowns. Okay, uDolly ngeke ngimbale-ke i-player ngoba bamdevelopanga, but-ke baya-benefit-a bona ngathi bamdevelopile, bathola 15 million ngoDolly because uDolly wayedlalela i-Sundowns I think at the time azange bampromote to i-first team, waye-Cape Town. And then-ke lapha bafike bamnika i-opportunity and then wadlala isikhashana nje esincane, isikhashana laphana, and then waba yi-star, and then i-Sundowns kwakumele imthenge back ngaboma 15 million. So yeah, I mean suffering i-relegation for bona i-Cape Town Spurs bafethu it's not an easy thing to deal with. I think ama-emotions bewa high ngempela, that is why they would look at ama-loopholes even noma bathi bona basecaleni, but-ke I mean they refused ukuthi ama-player ahambe, bebasasho nje ukuthi namanje I think namanje basasho ukuthi ama-players are contracted to bona. any move obviously ukuthi bona bahambe would require compensation from lawo ama-team afuna ama-player. But into engihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo uma ngi-addressa le nto le kavele bayi no-Batman ukuthi amanye ama-player laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs siyawabona join o-Durban City mahhala bafowethu. Why kuthagethwa ama-player lawa ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Because of i-Kaizer Chiefs inemali. Yeah, yizo zonke lezo zinto lezo bafethu, because the players, I mean the players were frozen out. They only trained ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, no official game played after signing 2 months ago. So then until arbitration iyakwazi ukuyisolva le ndaba le. We'll just have to see ukuthi after uconsulta kuma-lawyers wabo ne-legal team yabo overall bazothatha siphi step, because they can still take a step baye is it Switzerland ku-court of arbitration ye-World Football Governing Body. They could still go to FIFA, but into engeke bayenze at the moment ukustopha i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlalise lama-player lawa. Icala lizoloke lithethwa, because if i-court of arbitration izothatha isikhathi kusho ukuthi ama-player ayozadlale ngonyaka ozayo-ke. But-ke nje umthetho se-South Africa u-straight u-direct. If bayaqhubeka balokhu baqhubeka nale case bafuna ukudileya abafana, i-PSL ne-SAFA kumele ithathe i-decision enkulu ukuthi bakhansele ebholeni lase-South Africa, ivele bakhansele. We can't be delayed by team eyodwa. But-ke good news ngempela bafowethu ngoba ya abafana sebazokwazi ukudlala. I mean if ilo umthetho uclear njengoba bengishilo earlier on bafethu ukuthi i-team i-professional setup yase-South Africa ama-teams aku-PSL ayi-32. I-PSL i-Betway Premiership i-PSL, and then i-National First Division nayo i-PSL. Yiwo ama-team a-professional awu-32 kuphela. Once baku-relegate from i-National First Division, which is Mtsipe's Championship, you are out, awusase-professional. So noma ngabe yiphi i-team ingeze izothatha ama-players wakhe, especially uma kuyi-team e-professional ingawathatha mahhala, because of i-team e-professional i-offera ama-resources angcono, ama-salaries angcono, and i-offera obviously i-T_V izinto ezinjalo, more eyeballs for i-player ukuthi likwazi uku-improve. You can't fight to keep i-team mara ku-National First Division, ayenzi sense overall leyo nto leyo. I mean it's stipulated laphana ukuthi the players are free to sign anywhere bafowethu la abafuna ukusayina khona. Just like that ovele bayi-ke officially ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs. For i-Spurs, well, it's not just a legal defeat for bona, but it's an emotional one, because they are emotionally invested to the story. Why? Because they want imali ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs inayo imali. But at the same time bafowethu asike sibafeyiveni kancane la, siyibheke kawu-2 le nto le. Ibuhlungu yona, ibuhlungu kakhulu bafowethu. I mean ngibone uBatman ukuthi ufike nangakhi laphana bafowethu. Like imagine i-player close to 10 years idlala i-player laphana kuma-junior ranks, ukumkhulisa umuntu nga-10 years ekugcineni uhamba mahhala. Yeah, that's sad bafowethu, that's very very sad. But at the same time sosho ukuthi there were offers, baba-offera u-5 million, ba-choose ukuba arrogant uku-rejecta yonke le mali le. So yeah, uzenzela akakhalelwa at the end of the day. Response yabo i-Cape Town Spurs yabonisa ukuthi, I mean iminyaka eminingi ku-academy yabo bebathengisa ama-player, symbol of hope, ukuthi ba-produce ama-professional players, bawa-build ama-characters, babanike ama-opportunities from emalokishini bafowethu, from emakhaya, ukuthi ba-dream big, bathole ama-opportunities ku-professional setup. But manje if abakwazi to reap the rewards of them developing players, chaza ukuthini overall lokho? Question enkulu, because they cannot you can't develop let's say ama-player amaningi and then wonke ahambe mahhala. At least kumele uthole something, but bayi-rejecta imali ye-Kaizer Chiefs, bafuna imali too much. I remember i-agent lakavele bayi lithi, why would uvele bayi be priced efana price as the same as u-Apolis? U-Apolis uziprovile u-professional setup. That is why i-Orlando Pirates isayine u-Apolis nga-12 million. 12 million, only 12 million. I-Cape Town Spurs nayo 2 years back beyifuna i-12 million for uvele bayi. Yenza isensi-ke le nto le, asibeni honest bafowethu. Yeah, I mean i-Spurs ex-Cape Town i-produce ama-players amaningi kakhulu bafowethu laphana from ama-development, i-develop ama-players are-good. Yona ne-SuperSport manje abantu abaphethe aba-produce ama-player good i-Stellenbosch. Yeah, so I mean it's sad, it's really sad. I mean this is a major blow for them ukuluza kanje. But-ke ukuba greedy-ke ukubeka kule sport lesi abakuso namhlanje. As it stands njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ama-player ahamba mahhala, what's next for bona? Because I don't think bazobuya bona ku-professional setup. There is no way bafowethu bebuya ku-professional setup. kunzima ko-third division. Eyi, anzima ama-league wale phansi. Dustin, akukho lula. Kungconywana ku-professional setup, but-ke le phansi eDustin bafethu, hhayi kunzima kakhulu. Like it takes so much to even try and ulokhunjana udlale kahle uthole ama-results. Ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo. Sikhumbule ukuthi amagemu wakhona abawa-broadcast, so ku-easy ukuthenga-ke o-Rev League kuleya setup leya, ku-easy ukuthi ba-manipulate ama-games, ku-easy ukuthi benze izinto ukuthi ungawini at all, like ku-simple than ukuthi ku-professional setup noma kuthiwa bayarobhana but-ke into yakhona bazoyi-televise-a, so kuba ngconywana, ama-teams ayakwazi ukufayitha into and then when they presenting their case, kuba nama-visual, kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi okay, nayi into le abayi-complain-elayo, bathi barojiwe kanje nakanje, but-ke third division uzothi urojiwe kanjani kungana-proof, cause ngempela i-proof ayikho ku-third division bafethu, there is no proof. Uyazama nje uku-oppose-a some of the things but u-oppose-a until nini, but sibafisela inhlanhla ukuthi bakwazi uku-survive-a khona, bangatholi baba-relegated to a lower division than i-third division laphana. I don't see them coming back. It's going to be very difficult for them overall, but yeah, I mean, ukubuya kwabo kuzoba nzima ku-professional setup, but it's the beauty of the game, man. You win some, you lose some. Amanye ama-player azohamba mahhala, amanye ama-player azohlala abe yi-success, but-ke I mean, uZenzile njengoba bengishilo bafethu akakhalelwa uZenzile uthole ama-opportunities but yena akawathathanga ukuthi athengise ama-players wabo. Cela ukuyibamba la. It's an emotional day, but sibafisela inhlanhla. Uvele bayi no-Batman. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers by the end of the year bafethu, kumele sihlale ku-20,000 subscribers. Niyabukela but anisubscribe, subscribe-ani bafethu.